Where's the Roomba? I'm bringing it home with me. Where is it? Come here, little buddy. I'll take you to safety. I didn't know you could actually pick the Roomba up this. Puta! No, that's even worse. What the heck is this game? They're never gonna find him again. I'm gonna take his Roomba home. I'm gonna spoil him. I'm gonna put googly eyes on him. I'm gonna clean his scrubby bristles. I'm gonna give him the best life a Roomba has ever had. Here you go, little guy. I didn't know he was gonna explode. I have to go to work, by the way. I have no money.